Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm hiding here in the closet. For some reason, I just feel like a sense of security being in the closet sometimes, and today being Friday, I'm so stressed out. This week has been a lot. Like, I've had so much homework, so many assignments. Like, I can't even express to you how stressed I am right now. So today's video, I'm just gonna be unwinding. I just want to relax and spend time with myself. So I'm gonna walk you through some of the stuff that I'm gonna be doing. One, I'm gonna be unboxing a candle. I ordered a candle, okay? Like, one of my friends that went to my school, but she graduated inside like a candle business, so I just thought of, you know, buying myself one and yeah, use it for my self-care day. And I was really excited when I ordered it, so it just arrived today. So you guys are gonna see the candle that I got, and yeah, I'm really excited. And this other thing that I'm gonna do my laundry, because I've just noticed like I have so many stuff like on my to-do list. Like, you know, it's the end of the week, your room is messy, the room is messy, your laundry is not done, like things are just all over the place. So I'm trying to get stuff, you know, done. And so we're gonna do the laundry. You guys are gonna see me do the laundry. And another thing that I'm gonna do is take care of my hair. Like, I haven't hydrated my hair in a long time. Like, I don't remember the day like I gave it, you know, more time to like maybe just wash it and put a mask, a hair mask in there, and you know, just feel good and all that stuff. And I'm obviously gonna paint my toes. I haven't gone to do a pedicure or manicure in a long time due to these COVID restrictions. I really haven't been going out. As you guys can see, my nails look a bit, you know, messy and stuff. But yeah, I'm probably also gonna make a sugar scrub to just, you know, relax and make a bath at the end, and yeah, and just finish up from there. And I guess I'm gonna continue some other stuff on Sunday or something like that. But basically that's what I'm gonna do, guys. If you're new on my channel, my name is Sindisiwe, where I make self-care and food videos. And if you guys would like to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, right now I'm just gonna go ahead. I think, let's see what I'm gonna start with. I think I should start with unboxing the candle so that you guys see how it's like, and I'm also gonna see how the candle is like. So I'm really excited. So let's jump right in this video. Here is the package, the box, so little. My camera is shaking a little bit, so I hope it doesn't disturb anything I'm doing. Oops, I guess I didn't really cut it really well. Okay, got it. Oh, they look edible. They kind of look edible to me. What do you guys think? It looks like it's food, but it's not. Some pretty packaging going on. Oh, fancy. So this is the candle, guys. As you can see, it's so fancy. Oh, I like the packaging, so pretty. Yeah, it's in the scent Bay Rum. I've never had a candle in this scent before, so I'm really excited. Just want to show you guys how it looks inside. Look at that. Ah, it smells so good. I can't wait to use it. So guys, it's now laundry time. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my clothes in there so they start washing. What I usually do is like sort my clothes. So I usually have like the white stuff on its own, and I usually have the colors on their own. That way I don't, like, you know, damage my white clothes. That's what I usually do. So guys, I've already washed my hair. As you guys can see, I was supposed to make a mask, but then I remembered I had this protein pack. So I'm instead gonna use this for my hair instead of making a hair mask, since I already have this. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it to my hair, then I'm gonna put a plastic cap, and I'll probably stay with it the entire time. I'll be doing other things like, you know, painting my toes and, you know, doing other stuff, my laundry and stuff, since I'm not yet done doing my laundry. After I removed the plastic cap, I went ahead and rinsed out my hair, detangled it, and I also put some leave-in conditioner and did a twist out. So guys, I already pushed my cuticles back. I'm just gonna go ahead and now apply the polish. Alright guys, now that I'm done with my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a sugar scrub. So continue watching. I'm gonna show you guys step by step what I usually do. It's very easy. I feel like sugar scrubs make your skin look flawless and glowy, so keep on watching. So guys, I usually start by putting some coconut oil. I usually don't use a lot of it, just I'll just use this much. Oh, some here. That's gonna be enough. Then I'll put it in the microwave to just melt it a little bit, maybe just for like 10 seconds. I'm gonna get this bowl where I'm gonna mix everything. I have my sugar here. I'm gonna put about a cup of sugar, not a lot. This is the bowl where I'm gonna put the scrub, so I'll just measure where I want my scrub to reach. So I'll add a little bit more. Okay, like so. I think that'll be enough. So the coconut oil is melted now. I'm just gonna put it here. So I'm gonna get some, I cut a lemon. Just squeeze it in here like so. So guys, this is really now the icing on the cake part. I'm gonna prepare myself a bath and also light the candle that we unboxed. So yeah, I'm excited. I don't know, I feel better now. I was really stressed out, like I don't even know how to describe it, but I was so stressed out. Something fell. Oh goodness. Not now when I'm filming. So for the scents, I also like to use this essential oil burner. So there is an odd tea light there. I need to remove it and throw it away. So I have the new tea light. So basically I usually just put this tea light under here. I'm sure most of you know how to use this. Then I have these essential oils, right here. I think I'll use this lavender. It smells really good. And there's this vanilla scent, yeah, but I think I'll use the lavender scent tonight. Yeah, so what I usually do, fill it up with some water first, like so, and I'm just gonna put a few drops. So I'm just gonna about 4 to 5 drops. It's enough. Then I'm gonna turn on this tea light. Then when it heats up the water, I'll put it right here. It produces a really nice scent, like the lavender smell. It's gonna be everywhere in the bathroom, yeah, and trust me, like your stress level is literally gonna drop to like 0. So after putting the foaming bubble bath, I went ahead and also put this bath bomb. It's in the scent Blush Rose and Magnolia. It smells really good. I can't wait to just sit in the tub and yeah, sit there, relax and meditate. And I'll also do a face mask, which I'll show you guys at the end. Just in case you're wondering about the face mask that I'm using the apple cider vinegar face mask by Freeman. This face mask is really good at preventing breakouts, and it also acts as a toner. Thank you so much guys for watching until the end. Don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet done that. See you in my next video.